Eternity is now. Maybe you know this famous uh, Albert Einstein quote: "There is something about now that is outside the realm of science." I brought this now in science. It took me 30 years, but the now is in science. Einstein also used to say, for us physicists who believe in science, we know that past and future are just stubborn illusions. We have to go very deep into details to understand what was Einstein's intuition that he grasped in these words. Let's start with the word time. Time. What does it mean, time? Once I have spoken with the Italian physicist Ignazio Licata on the phone. It's more than 10 years ago. And he told me, he said, Amrit, look, for us physicists, time is duration. Yes, time is duration. So when I move this object from here to here, I measure this motion with the clock. Five seconds. So the object is moving only in space. We do not experience that object is moving in time. That's why it makes no sense to say that the object is moving in time. But actually what we have been measuring with what we measured with the clock, we measured with the clock duration of this motion, of this object. But if I do only this and I don't do measurement, the duration does not exist. We have to understand this, that duration enters existence when measured by the observer. So definitely time in physics is a fundamental physical property. We cannot build physics without time. But what we see now, that time is emergent physical property that enters existence when measured by the observer. So what observer is doing? Observer is comparing this measurement with the motion of the clock. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. And then we say this is 5 seconds. It is very important to understand that universal space is time invariant. We are living now in science, in physics, for more than 100 years in a kind of understanding that time is a fourth dimension of space. Is not. Time is duration of motion in time invariant space. And in this time invariant space is always now. You know? You see? It's always now. In space is always now. We can express this also with the sentence that we experience, humans, we experience a physical properties of space as now. When you walk on the street, you walk always in the same space. And in this space, it's always now. And this now is eternity itself. Okay. So if you want to go deeper, you can check articles, my published articles about this subject. And definitely, I will be happy you send me your comments. Thank you very much.